This video is going to show you how to make this handsome man from Yellowstone. All you'll need as far as coloring is skin tone. So you'll just spread it out. This mold is from K&L. I'll put the information in the notes. Just make sure it's spread out nice and even. Then you're ready to cook. I do 325 for 20 minutes. Once it's cooked, then you're ready to add your color. I like to use the bold paint pens. I'll link those as well. They're nice, especially on this one, because the thick tip makes the coloring go really fast. I always use Sharpie because I have a lot better luck with them not running and bleeding all over my Freshie. So you'll just go in and color in all of the designs black. You can clean up any spots with your finger or a Q-tip. I forgot to grab some Q-tips, so I just use my finger. It wipes off pretty easily. I'm going to do as much as I can with the extra thick Sharpie, and then once I've done that, I will switch to a thinner Sharpie so that I can get the finer details on his face because I don't want to risk coloring in the wrong spots. So here I have my thinner marker. This is the fine tipped marker. I don't like extra fine because I found that it bleeds a lot more. So fine works great. Just go in and add his sideburns and mustache, and then you're good to go on to the next step. You can always leave him like this, or I'm going to show you how to add a cute little paper cut Y onto him. I used my Cricut and the Y SVG on yellow paper to cut out these Ys. I'll make a tutorial next. And then I'm using this Army Painter glue to help it dry clear, and I'll put that in the notes. So I'm just going to squeeze the bottle so that some comes out of the top. This glue is great because it does dry completely clear so you don't see any of it. So I just stick it on the back. Then I put the Y on the right side of him. And then once you've done that, you just let it dry. I drill a hole at the top, and then you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe, and then you'll be notified when I post more videos.